friends, my name is Emma and I have only $50 on my deposit and I will try to overclock it. So watch this video to the end, put your like and write your comment. I will using my trading the technical analysis, the uptrends, downtrends, the support and resistance levels. So if you know what is technical analysis, it's brilliant. But if you don't know yet, it's not a problem. This video is for you. And also in the comments you can write your ideas and your questions, what you want to see in the next episode, so you can write everything. And also I have the Telegram chat. It is closed and you will find the link in the description to this Telegram chat. There I post the trading signals with profitability of 80-90% and you can take them and close your trades profitable. Just you need to be the member of this chat. So find this link in the description and write to me the code word private and I will add it to this private chat. So guys, I think it's high time to overclock the deposit. So hi everyone, today I will try to overclock my deposit from $50 to what sum, I don't know now, but we will do our best to make it bigger. So today we're going to work out all the situations with technical analysis and I will tell you in detail about every situation that you will see on the chart. So let's start. So here you can see the support level and also there has been a very confident downtrend. The price approached this level and now is starting to break it through. So let's open a trade with down for 1 minute. I think we will get into the very impulsive movement down. It is called the breakout. Well, let's check it. So that's amazing, this level has been broken through. It's a very great beginning. Let's continue. So this is the support level and the downtrend as well, and the price highs are becoming lower. So right now the price is near the line of a downtrend. So let's open a trade with down for 3 minutes. I think the price will be moving towards the support level because whole trend is going down. So let's check what's gonna happen here. So it's very good guys, the price really continued, it's moving down and this is the profit. So I'd like to find the next situation because the interest payment has fallen here. So let's find it. So guys, here you can see the support level and also there has been a very confident downtrend. The price approached this level, then got to the flat zone, so without any pullback. So here this is the sticking to this level. So let's open a trade for 2 minutes with down movement. I guess that this level will be broken through very soon because this is very great potential for a decrease here. So that's amazing, the price impulsively broke through this level and that is the brilliant profit. So I reminded the chat to the left for 3 hours ago and now I can set this level due to the values of this candlestick. So this is the toppest point for all the time. So let's return. Here you can see that this is the very good uptrend and now the price is breaking through this level. Well, let's open a trade with up for 1 minute. I suppose that we will get into the very impulsive moment of the price. It will be the moment up and this time will be enough also. So guys, it's very good, the price impulsively broke through this level and we got the amazing profit and 1 minute was enough for this. So also after the breakout the price slowed down a little and this is the red candlesticks are appearing. So let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. I think there will be the pullback down, it will be the retracement because you know that after the breakout there must be the retracement and the price is bouncing down. So guys, let's check what can happen here. So guys, it's amazing, the price really got to the retracement zone, then there was a pullback down and this is the profit for you and me. So guys, here you can see there has been a very good downtrend. The price approached this level, then there was the small bounce up. And after it, the price is again moving towards this level and is sticking to this level. So I think that very soon this level will be broken through. That's why let's open the trade with down for 2 minutes. This is the very good potential for a decrease and the price highs are becoming lower here. So guys, it's very good. After the bounce, this level was broken through. We can continue. Well guys, here you can see the resistance level, and also you can notice the very good uptrend. The price touched this level, then bounced down. And also pay attention to the whole trend. It is going up and the price loss is becoming higher here. So let's open the trade for 3 minutes with up. I think the price will be moving up for a while towards this level, because this is a very good potential for an increase. And also this time is with the reserve, because there can be the pullback down. So guys, it's very good. After the bounce, the movement up continued and we got the profit. And you also can notice that the price continued moving up and is breaking through this level. We need to open a trade with up for 1 minute. I'm sure we will get into the impulsive breakout of this level. And in this situation, 1 minute will be enough. So let's check what can happen here. So guys, it's very good. The price continued moving up and this level was broken through, so everything is brilliant. Let's continue. So guys, here you can see the support level, and you can also notice there has been very good downtrend. The price approached this level, then there was the small bounce up, and after this pullback the price is again moving down and sticking to this level. So let's open a trade with down for 2 minutes. I think that very soon this level will be broken through, and also this is a very good potential for a decrease. You can see here. Well, let's check it. So guys, it's very interesting. The price continued moving down and this level was broken through. So this is the profit, and 2 minutes were enough for that. So also after the breakout there was the pullback up. That's why we will continue. So here you can see the resistance level, and you can also notice that lately there has been the upward movement and now the price is sticking to this level. I think this level will be broken through very soon. That's why let's open a trade with up, because here this is obviously sticking to the level, and it means that the breakout is very near and the price has approached this level 2 times. And we have chosen this time with the reserve, of course. We can wait for the end. So it's quite good. The price continued moving up and then this level was broken through. As I said, we got the profit and this time was enough. So my deposit is $9,000. So let's find the last trade and make it profitable. So here you can see the support level, and also from this level there was the pullback up, and now the price is again moving towards this level very impulsively with the red candlesticks. So in this situation I would like to wait for a while. I need to see the price approach this level, then open a trade with up for 1 minute. I think from this level there will be the retracement, a small pullback up, because I know in most cases after the one-way movement, where impulsive movement, there usually this is the pullback happening. So let's check. So guys, it's very interesting. Really, the impulsive breakout of the level happened, but it's been the false breakout. Then there was the retracement, the small pullback up, and 1 minute was enough for that. So this is the profit. So my deposit now is $12,000. We can finish here because I have got what I wanted to get, and now I can leave the market. And also all the situations were profitable. We were analyzing them very carefully. We used the technical analysis, and now you know how to work it. Also how to read these market situations and how to understand the chart. Just follow the support and resistance levels, the inner levels, and downtrends and uptrends. It is very useful for anyone, for if you are interested in trading and if you want to know it better, if you want to improve in this sphere, you need to learn this technical analysis at first. So guys, thank you so much for your attention. Today we have closed all the trades profitable. We got the very brilliant result, and you can remember these situations because you know that all the situations on the market always repeat, and it means that you will take, and it means that once you will see one of these situations in your own trading in your own practice. And you will close this trade profitable, I'm sure. And also you will find lots of interesting things in my Telegram chat. Just find the link in the description under this video and write to me the code word private. And there also you can take the trading signals, and due to these trading signals you will close your trades profitable. And also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your like, and write in the comment your questions, your ideas, or just your feedback. I'm really fond of getting the support from you. It's brilliant thing, and it is the support for channel also. So guys, thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.